Use of logarithms table. Here you need to buy this small book. It's a small pamphlet. It's called the 4-figure table. Just go to the bookshop, tell them you want to buy 4-figure table. It's actually called Mathematical and Statistical Tables and Formula by WAEC. Just go and buy this. This is what we're going to be using for this topic. Now, after getting the 4-figure table, you can use it to solve these problems. So find the logarithm of the following numbers. That's using your logarithms table. The first one here is you should look for log 854.2. So what do? Is to actually write this number in standard form. If you want to write this number in standard form, it will be what? You shift the decimal point to the left until you get to a digit before the decimal point. So you have 1, 2, you stop. So you have 8.542 times 10 raised to power 2. We moved to 2.2 places. So this 2 is what you call the characteristic. Write it down. 2 point. That's the characteristics. Okay, that's 2. Another way of doing it is to count the digits, the whole number part, all the digits before the decimal point. You count all the digits and subtract 1. You can say now, 1, 2, 3. That's 3, isn't it? Minus 1, that will give you 2. That's the characteristic. Okay. Now this one, the characteristic of this is 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, 2. That's the characteristic. So let's check the 4-figure table. Let's check the logarithm of this. This will be 85 under 4 difference 2. You look for 85 here. This 85. Okay. Under 4, this 4. Trace it from the bottom there. 85 under 4. Okay. That is 9315. Okay. 85 under 4. 85, that's 85 there, under 4. 9315, difference 2. You come to the differences here, you will see the numbers written both at the bottom and at the top. So you trace it from whichever part you are closer to. Here we are closer to the bottom, we trace it from the bottom. So difference 2, this 2 here, you trace it up to, that is 1. So you add 1 to the value here, 1 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 5 is 6. Here is 1. Here is 3. Here is 9. Okay. So we have 9316. So here we have 9316. This is the logarithm of this number. This is the characteristic. The next one, let's check the log of this. That will be 25 under 4 difference 4. We have already written the characteristic the other time. So 25 under 4 difference 4. 25, we'll look for 25, we'll trace it down. Then this is going to be on page 2. 25, this 25 there. Under 4, this 4. Okay, we have it here. So that is what? 40, 48, isn't it? You have 40, 48. Then difference 4. Come to the top here, you see the difference. Trace it down to where it's going to meet. That is here. That will be what? That is 7. Okay, that's 7. So we add 7 to this value here. So you have 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, that's 5. Okay, here is 0. Here is 4. So that is 40, 55. Okay, the logarithm is what? Is 40, 55. And coming here, we have 40, 55. Okay, then let's go to the next one to check the logarithm of this number. Any number that is less than 1 has the characteristics as what? As negative. Just note it. Once the number is less than 1, that this number is less than 1, the characteristic is going to be negative. So if you want to write this number in standard form, will be what? That will be this 0.2432 will be the same thing as, you remember, you move your decimal point until you have just 1 digit before the decimal point. So we move it just 1 here. Okay, so that will be 2.4, okay, 32 times 10 raised to power minus 1, because Once you are moving the decimal point to the right, your digit, your power will be negative. If you are moving to the left, it will be positive. Okay. Now we have this. So this are -1 is the characteristic, but you don't write it -1. You write it bar 1. That's what you say. Point. So if it's a negative number, you put the sign, the negative sign, on top of the number. Okay. So you now come and check the logarithm. Logarithm of this is, forget about this 0. You check the significant figures. You start from 2. You have 2, 4, 3, 2. So we are checking the log of 24 under 3 difference 2. So this is the 4-figure table. 24 under 3 difference 2. Where's our 24? These are 24. Under 3, this is under 3. That will give us what? That was 3856. 3856. Okay, 3856. Difference 2. We come to differences here and we trace it. 24 difference 2. Okay, that is what? That is 4. Okay, we said 24 under 3 difference 2. That is 4. That's 4. So we have 4 there, and we add 4 plus 6 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, here is 8. Here is 3. So we have 3860 as our logarithms. 3860. And so we have 3860. That's the log. So this next one, to write the log of this, this is our number, 0.004726. What's the characteristic? I told you move 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that will be -3. That will be bar 3. Okay, that's our characteristic. It's not difficult. We put the number in standard form, then the power of the 10, by the time you write it in standard form, is the characteristic. This one will be, this one is, we have 0.004726 to be what? We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that will be 4.726 times 10 raised power is negative, so -3. Okay, once the number is less than 1, after counting your decimal points, then your sign will be negative. So this -3 is our what? It's our characteristic. And we write the sign on top of the number. So we have bar 3. We now check the logarithms. That will be, you don't forget about the zeros. You start from the first number there. 47 under 2 difference 6. So we have 47 here. 47. Okay. Under 2 is giving us what? 6739. 6739. Then difference 6. You come here, check the difference there. Difference 6 is going to 5. So we have 5 there. And 5 plus 9, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. You have 7. Here you have 6. So we have 6744. 6744 as the logarithm of that number. And that was it. 6744. That's the log of this number. Now to find logarithms. Okay. Let me quickly add this. If you are given a number, for example, you say that if log x is equal to this, find x. They are giving you the logarithm of the number. They are asking you to find the number whose logarithm is this. All you just do is to forget about this left side, because this is the characteristic that they use in giving you the logarithm. Remember when we were doing logarithms here, we said 854.2. The characteristic of this was 1, 2, 3 minus 1 gave us this 2. So for this place to be 2, this should have been the characteristic of that number. So we start from here. You check the antilog of this number. The antilog of this number. This is 56 under 2 difference 4. Okay. Check the antilog of this number. And antilog is just immediately after your log in the fourth table. After logarithms, you get to antilog. So you check 56 under 2 difference 4. Okay, so you have 56, this 56, okay, under 2 is what? 7, 4, 9, 7. Then difference 4 is 56. Check difference 4 there is 3. Okay, it's 3. So you add the difference to it, you have 3. So you have 3 plus this is what? Is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10, carry 1 still. 1 plus 4, 5. Then here you have what? 7. So that's 7500. So you come here, you say x is equal to 7500. By the time you get here, you have getting this is the antilog. Okay, you come here and determine the decimal point. This is 2. Whatever number you have here, you add 1 to it. You add 1 to this value here. So since we have 2 here, 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So you now come to the beginning of the number, come to the beginning and move 3 places to your right. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3. You stop here. That's it. So the number is actually 750. So x is what? Is 750. That is the answer. Okay, it's not difficult. Anytime you are checking the logarithms, you will count the number of digits 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 will give you the characteristics. But if you are checking the antilog, you come to the characteristic aspect here, this side. Whatever value that is here, you add 1 to it. So that's why we got 3. And we started counting 3 places. 1, 2, 3 places of decimal. Okay, you can just say 750. Okay, that's the answer. You can even go back to your figure table and check the what do I call it, the log of this number. That this number now. Say the log of x is this. What's the number? This is the number. If you check the log of this number, it will give you that you may have some little difference, which is as a result of the differences. Okay.